Hey everyone, this is Mandy and I'm going to show you my Flutter app. I've already deployed it onto my emulator here. The app title is GGC Student Picker and I've changed the launcher icon to the 20 green die. And in my app bar I have the options menu where I can add name, sort, clear, shuffle the list, and I also have a new screen that reroutes you to my about screen. So I'm just going to add some names here, and we'll use fruits as examples. And as you can see, each name is added to the list, and if I decide to cancel and not add the item and I click on the X, it goes back to the home screen and it does not add that name. I can sort the list in alphabetical order. I can shuffle it in random orders, and I can also clear it. But I'm just going to go back and add the names so that I can show what else this app can do. If I click on each name, it will toggle between the visible and hidden status. So if it's visible, there will be no icon here. If it's hidden, it'll show this icon right here. And when I click on the fab, it will randomly select only the visible names. So if I click on it, it will only select either orange or banana. And if I hide all the names and I click the fab, it will show a snack bar down here that says no items selected. And if I unhide everything again, it will select all the names. And as my logging system, I've printed a statement every time the fab is clicked. It will show the selected name. So if I click on it and it's orange, it'll show random selection orange down here, and then banana and banana. When I kill the app and I open it again, the list of names that I had on there should reload. And it does, so that's perfect. And then for my about screen, when I click on about, it should reroute to the new screen. When I click back, it will go back to the home screen. So again, this app was created by me, Mandy Yang, for iTech 4550, and I hope you all enjoyed.